This is part 1 of PIC Computing, A-Level Computing video number 142, where we give you an introduction to the F454 project. It's worth 20% of your total A-Level, and it's a good chance to use the knowledge and skills that you gained in your first year A-Level studies, particularly programming skills. You need to find a customer. There was a problem that can be solved with a new system. So what you'll do is you'll find somebody and you'll build them a piece of software that helps them do whatever they need to do. You'll have to work closely with the customer to come up with and code the solution. Customer needs to be someone that you can communicate with on a regular basis, so you need regular access to that person, whether they're inside of college or outside of college. So it could be somebody within the college, within another subject area, that you can help out with some software. The software needs to be of sufficient size and complexity to satisfy the exam board, and your teacher will be able to advise on that. And you can use any programming language, although your teacher will probably advise you on which one is best to use. You'll be following most of the stages of the systems development life cycle from the unit F451 from your AS studies. And this project takes a lot of time, and we haven't got forever, so you're going to have to work very hard on the project. So what are you expected to produce for the exam board? Firstly, thinking about the layout of what you're going to send off to the examiner. It's going to be a Word document, possibly more than one Word document, and we can piece together the separate sections. It's going to need to be laid out professionally like a report with a front cover and a contents page. And it's going to need headers and footers on each page, like we see there and there. And as we can see, this particular candidate's came to 164 pages, so it's a sizable piece of work. It's worth 20% of your total A-level. The sections will go into more detail in future videos. It's worth 80 marks altogether. We can see 14 of those marks are given to definition, investigation and analysis. And in the next video we'll look at the problem definition, which is only worth 3 marks, but that's 3 marks you need to pick up, where you'll do a page or so on what is the problem that you're going to investigate. And then you'll do your investigation and analysis work, which is worth a further 11 marks. The design section is worth 16 marks overall. That's got to include algorithms and test design plans. Development and testing is one of the biggest sections, 30 marks altogether, showing how you built the thing and how you tested it. Documentation, so this might be user guides, etc., is worth 10 marks. You've got to evaluate as well, that's another 10 marks in total. So that's the breakdown of marks. And in future videos we'll look at those sections in more detail. Thanks for watching. Bye.